To begin with then, the chapter dealing with pronunciation. When you've read the bit about the Welsh alphabet, sorted out our imitated system, and realised that the singing Welsh double stress is certainly no problem, you come to the vowels on page 8. In this section, the model Welsh words will be heard in the same order as they are printed. Listen very closely to them. Each example will be said twice in fairly quick succession. Then there'll be a pause. Use that pause to repeat what you've just heard. Then we'll say the word or words a third time, so that you can check you got it right before moving on.
Tan, tan, tan. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Tad, tad, tad. Tan, tan, tan.
Pen, pen, pen. Hen, hen, hen. Game, game, game.
Pin, pin, pin. Skill, skill, skill. Fien, fien, fien. Screen, screen, screen.
Talk, talk, talk. Closs, closs, closs. Close, close, close. More, more, more.
Tin, tin, tin. Grieg, grieg, grieg. Catene, catene, catene.
Durn, durn, durn. Cwrw, cwrw, cwrw. Dŵr, dŵr, dŵr.
Llyn, llyn, llyn. Dyn, dyn, dyn. Iad, iad, iad. Cynnig, cynnig, cynnig.
Now for the diphthongs, page 10. Here, there may be more than one example per sound.
Sign, sign, sign. Tried, tried, tried.
Dau, Casau. Dramau. Dau. Casau. Dramau. Dau. Casau. Dramau.
That was the ordinary or accented AU ending. But when AU is an unaccented plural ending, it's an indeterminate air sound. Listen to the end of the next word.
Senior. 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 Lleuad. 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 Teyrnas. Teyrnas. Teyrnas.
Tew. Rhew. Tew. Rhew. Tew. Rhew.
Rhyw. 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 Cyw. Cyw. Cyw.
Lloi. 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 Troed. 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 Gyffroes. Gyffroes. Cyffroes.
Cwyn. 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 Wyr. Wyr. Wyr.
Consonants, page 11.
Ci. 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 Bach. 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 Gradd. 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 Haf. 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 Raff. Raff. Raff.
Lle. 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 Ei phen. Ei phen. Ei phen. Ras. 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 Rhad. Rhad. Rhad.
Semi-vowels, page 11.
Gwyn. 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 Iar. Iar. Iar.
Now, the Welsh alphabet. There's just the slimmest of chances that you might have to spell out a word in Welsh, and to be absolutely correct in doing so, you ought to give the individual letters their Welsh names. Take the name Gwen, for example. Curb your inclination to spell this as Gwen, and do it the Welsh way.
eg, u, e, n.
We'll run quickly through all the letters. Note especially the double letter combinations.
A, B, ek, ech, d, edd, e, ev, f, eg, eng, eich, e dot, j, l, ell, m, n, o, p, phi, r, rhi, s, t, eth, i bedol, u, ö.
Mutations, page 13. Read the section and don't panic. When you come to the examples on page 15, listen to how the mutated form differs from its root word. Bear in mind the basic rules of pronunciation and you shouldn't have much trouble with mutations. As before, we'll repeat the key phrase and then pause for you to have a go. Always try to say the words out aloud. Don't simply mutter them to yourself. It's easy to copy in your mind, but a totally different matter when you have to open your mouth and make a noise. Here's the soft mutation illustrated.
Ardroed, ardroed, ardroed.
The root word is troed.
Danbwyse, danbwyse, danbwyse.
The root word is pwyse.
O Gymru, o Gymru, o Gymru.
The root word is Cymru.
Gweles I geffyl, gweles I geffyl, gweles I geffyl.
The root word is ceffyl.
The aspirate mutation.
Ceffyl a chert. Ceffyl a chert. Ceffyl a chert.
The root word is cert.
Cwrddes I a phlisman. Cwrddes I a phlisman. Cwrddes I a phlisman.
The root word is plisman.
Gyda phleser. Gyda phleser. Gyda phleser.
The root word is pleser.
Tua chant o bobl. Tua chant o bobl. Tua chant o bobl.
The root word is cant.
Ei thad. Ei thad. Ei thad.
The root word is tad.
The nasal mutation.
Fy nhad. Fy nhad. Fy nhad.
Once again, the root word is tad.
Yng Nghymru. Yng Nghymru. Yng Nghymru.
The root word is Cymru.
5 mlynedd. 5 mlynedd. 5 mlynedd.
The root word is blynedd.
That completes the chapter dealing with Welsh pronunciation and mutations. It's all taken quite a while, but you should have the basic principles thoroughly committed to memory. Maybe not yet, but soon. If you took our advice back on page 8, you'll have gone on to lesson 1 by now. That's fine, especially for those who don't have these cassettes to listen to. But there's no point in floundering through the words. Mistakes made early on and not corrected have a tendency to stick. So, since you have the tape, refer back to this pronunciation unit as often as you feel the need to do so.